How to get Lloyds Bank Business Account. First things first, if you're using your Google Chrome, then you can definitely follow on the method I will be providing you. You can also use any preferred web browser you want. Now in your search bar, just simply type in lloydsbank.com for you to be able to have or to get to the Lloyds Bank's official site. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is just to find this logo or icon right here, which is to log you in. So just simply click on that and choose whether it's going to be a professional and then choose if it's going to be a personal or a business. So since we're trying to create or to get a business account, all you have to do first is to register an account. Now from here, you should be able to see the requirements for you to successfully create a business account. And from here, just scroll down a bit, and these are scroll down a bit, and this is all the requirements that you'll need. So you'll have the account number and sort code of the business account you're registering, your passport or UK driving license to prove your identity, the access to a mobile device with a working camera, details of anyone who needs to approve your registration, and then access to a printer if we can't verify your identification online or you need additional approvals. So all you have to do is just to click on start registration for us to go ahead and let's get started on creating an account for business. And once we here, all you have to do is just to click on get started. And from here, just simply choose for if you're using an online business, then choose on a specific or necessary option, whether it's going to be a yes or no. So you just have to follow along these questions right here, and then there's going to be a bunch of general information that's going to be asked from you. So just fill it out, like your name, the business name, or your social security number, or your business code, and you will be able to successfully create an account for business at Lloyds Bank. So that's it. That's how you get a Lloyds Bank account for business.